More than 90% of people make these workout mistakes, because of which their body is never able to grow. So, if you really want to build a good physique, then watch this video till the end so that you don't repeat those mistakes again. The first mistake is skipping the warm-up. Bro, a lot of people make this mistake. If you exercise without warming up, your muscles stay tight, and because of this, the risk of injury increases a lot. By doing a warm-up, your body's blood flow increases, and your body gets ready for the workout. Bro, a warm-up is very important. For example, iron is heated a lot before it comes into shape. In the same way, warming up is also very important. So, don't skip the warm-up. The second mistake is using the wrong form. This mistake is mostly made by beginners. They do exercises however they feel like. First of all, the muscle you are trying to target is not being targeted at all. And by doing this, your set goes to waste. Along with that, your joints and muscles get unnecessary strain, because of which your bones can end up in a bad position. If you are performing any exercise, you should first watch on YouTube how to perform it properly. After that, you should do it. Otherwise, a lot of problems can happen. The third mistake is ignoring progressive overload. This mistake can completely stop your progress. For some time, I was also making this mistake because I did not know that with time we have to increase both weight and intensity. If you don't do this, your muscles adapt and muscle growth completely stops. So, over time, you should add progressive overload so that your muscles can grow. For example, if you are working out at home and you can do 50 push-ups, then the next day you should try to do 55 push-ups. In this way, you have to increase your progressive overload. When you do a bench press in the gym, the weight is heavy. Comparatively, you are doing push-ups with your body weight. So progressive overload is very important. The fourth mistake is not focusing on the full body. Many people train only a few muscles, like abs or biceps, and leave all the other muscles, like legs and shoulders. You should not do this at all, because it creates body imbalance. Many people do not even train their legs, but legs are very important. You should train all the muscles of your body, not just one or two. The fifth mistake is not getting enough sleep. The body is not built only by working out, but also by recovery, in which diet and sleep are very important. When we sleep, our body releases hormones, and these are the same hormones that are very important for muscle growth. It does not matter only how many hours you sleep. What matters is how good your sleep quality is. If your sleep quality is not good, then no matter how much you sleep, you will not see proper recovery. But you should get at least 7 to 8 hours of good sleep, so that your body can recover and repair. The sixth mistake is eating immediately before a workout. Many people make this mistake. When they go to work out, they eat food right away, which is wrong. If you eat 10 to 15 minutes before a workout, your body will use its energy to digest the food. And when you work out, you will not have enough energy. That is why you should eat 2 to 3 hours before your workout, so that your food is digested and you can get proper energy. Whether it is a snack or a heavy meal, eating immediately before a workout can cause problems. The seventh mistake is doing cardio before a workout. Many people make this mistake. They do cardio before strength training. Cardio uses a lot of energy, and because of that, you will not be able to perform well in your workout. So, you should avoid doing intense cardio before your main workout. Many people also do static stretching before a workout. Static stretching is meant to relax the muscles, so it should be done after a workout. Before a workout, you should do dynamic stretching so that your body warms up and your blood flow increases. You can do arm circles, leg swings, or bodyweight lunges. The eighth mistake is taking a shower immediately after a workout. Many people do this. If you do not wait and take a shower immediately after your workout, your muscles can become tight, which can affect recovery. You should wait at least 10 to 15 minutes. I would say you should wait up to 30 minutes before taking a shower, because your body temperature is high after a workout, so wait a little before showering. The ninth mistake is breaking consistency. Many people are very motivated at the beginning, but after some time, their motivation decreases. Because of that, they work out only 2 or 3 days a week and skip the rest. You should not do this, because your progress can completely stop. At least you should train 5 times a week. If you are a little more advanced, you can train 6 times a week and take 1 day off. The last mistake is ignoring diet. Many people work out very hard, but do not pay attention to their diet. Diet is the main thing. If you do not follow a proper diet, your progress will never happen. For muscle growth, your body needs protein, carbs, and healthy fats. If you do not fulfill these needs, your body will not grow. If you want a full video on diet, I have already made one. You can click on it and watch it.